Working in brands and marketing can be pretty exciting, especially when you work in a fintech company that plays in the B2C space. The experience of working on various marketing strategies for Remita's retail proposition has been an interesting one. At System Specs, we continually explore relevant marketing activities for all our brands. However, this is our first experience with BRT advertisement campaign, and we just want to show you through the entire process and also tell our story. We started by making a thorough research and selecting the right agency to work with. After identifying our preferred agency, we got quotes and then picked the bus routes for our BRT Adverts. In onto the designs, we made several iterations of our artwork using specified measurements from the agency. Then of course, we ensured to follow through the bus branding process. It was fun staying up all night to see the boys doing the branding. And then the buses hit the road. So guys, anywhere you spot any of the BRTs with Remita Advert, don't hesitate to take a picture, post on social media and tag us at RemitaNet and use the hashtag #SpotTheRemita Challenge. And also don't forget to download Remita app or visit remita.net for your next payment for electricity, cable TV subscription, data, airtime, and etc.